Nail stamping is the art of picking up nail polish from a metal plate and onto your nail. It's a really fun way to get intricate designs without having to paint them on yourself. You usually need a more opaque specialty polish to do this, but some regular polishes work as well. It is usually worth your time to get a proper stamping polish though. You also benefit from a smudge-free top coat that won't smudge your design. I think stamping is a lot of fun and I have been wanting to increase my collection of stamping polishes. I already have the black and white stamping polishes and a smudge-free top coat from Maniology, and I've been really happy with them. So I was really excited to try this Maniology stamping subscription box. The Maniology subscription box is released once a month and it will ship right away when you order it. They also let you know beforehand what you get, so that's nice if you want to make an informed decision. Maniology is a brand that is specialized in stamping polishes and stamping plates and other stamping products. You can also shop previous releases as long as they last for a discounted price, which is nice. I ordered this box just to try it out. To cancel the box, you have to send an email to the Maniology customer service and then make sure you answer their response email where they ask if you really want to unsubscribe. I think this could have been easier, but let's get to the unboxing. If you're a first-time subscriber, you get an extra mini stamper and a card. I think this was a super cute addition. Technically, you should now have everything you need to start stamping. The card is small and cute. These are really great if you want to film your stamping since they fit in a small frame. I think the stamper is great. It's super squishy and it has no back, so you can see really clearly what you are doing. You get two new stamping polishes, Primrose and Zinnia. These were more challenging to work with than the ones I have from before. At the end of the video, I will show you me testing the products. You get a sticker. It's a fun ad. I like to collect stickers to my water bottle. Two stamping plates. The stamping plates have a spring theme. I really like them. You have these cute spring animals and lots of floral patterns. My favorite was the heart design as it worked really well in stamping. Which of these designs would you wear? Comment down below. You get some bonus nail files. It's a nice bonus, you always need nail files. As a nice detail, they have matching designs to the stamping plates. Nail stamping works so that you spread the polish on the plate, scrape off excess polish, and pick up the design with the squishy stamper. You can add some color. This is called reverse stamping. And press it onto your nail. Finish off with a non-smudge top coat. I had some trouble stamping with these polishes. I reached out to Maniology and they gave me some good tips. With these polishes, it especially helps not to scrape the polish too hard, and I made some progress. Especially the heart design worked really well. If you are starting out at stamping, it's good to start with the basic black and white, as those were a lot easier to work with. I can pick up a design every time. If you are an avid nail stamper, I think this could be a really fun subscription box for you. You get seasonal plates and colors every month and some bonus gifts. If you are just starting out, I suggest you start with a beginner kit. At least get a clear stamper, a stamping polish, a stamping plate, and a smudge-free top coat. I like the little extras they put in. I really like the small stamper, I like the floral pattern plates, and I like the stamping polish colors. But unfortunately the polishes were a bit too hard for me to get a good stamping with. I like that you can order the box and they ship it right away, so you don't have to wait too long. They are also very upfront what the box includes, so you can make an informed decision and also shop previous boxes. Their customer service is fast to answer, but I think some things like the unsubscribing could be automated. Thank you for watching, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you have experiences with this subscription box or with nail stamping, and which of the items you liked in this box. If you like this video, please subscribe. Moi moi!